Good morning, children. Today I am going to take mathematics. Open page number 89. This is page number 89. Exercise 1.7. Sam has 5 pencils. Siva has 4 pencils. How many pencils do they have all together? See how you will get to know the sums are addition or a subtraction. There is a sum rules. See, if you saw left, take away, like this words means those sums are subtraction or minus. If you saw more, joined, add, all together, this will show addition sums. Okay. Here in this question, Sam has 5 pencils, Siva has 4 pencils. How many pencils all together? See here. You should add this. Sam has 5 pencils and Siva has 4 pencils. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5. Here it's a 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Total 9 pencils are there. Second one. There were 5 birds in the pond. 3 more birds joined them. How many birds are there all together? There were how many birds? 5 birds. 5 birds and 3 more birds joined. So what is the total? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Next one. 4 blocks were on the table. Vijay put 2 more blocks with them. How many blocks are there in all? There were 4 blocks on the table and 4 blocks in the table. Vijay put 2 more blocks. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next question. Fourth one. Tom bought 7 peaches. He ate 3 of them. How many does Tom have now? This is addition or a subtraction? This is subtraction sum. How you will get to know? Tom bought 7 peaches. He bought 7 peaches and he ate 3 of them. So, how many left? How does Tom have now? Or how many left? 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Fifth. 8 toy cars were in the box. Rita took 5 cars out of the box. How many cars are left? They were in the box. So, toy cars. How many toy cars? 8. 8 toy cars were in the box. Then Rita took 5 cars. Rita took 5 cars. So 8 minus 5 is equal to, see, 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next, sixth one. Six dogs were eating the meat. 3 dogs ran away. How many dogs are left there eating the meat? 6 dogs were eating the meat. 6 dogs were eating the meat and 3 dogs ran away or 3 dogs left. How many? So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Next question. 7th one. There are 3 children swimming in a pool. 2 more children join them. How many children are swimming all together? This is addition or a subtraction? This is a addition because here they have mentioned all together. There are all together. There are 3 children swimming in a pool. 2 more joined. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Next, 8th one. Tom bought 9 bananas. He ate 3 of them. How many bananas left with them? This is addition or a subtraction? This sum is subtraction because they have used here left word. Tom bought 9 bananas. How many bananas he bought? He bought 9 bananas and he ate 3 of them. Then what are the remaining bananas? 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next, 9th one. There were 4 boys and 6 girls in a library. How many kids are there all together? This sum is addition because they have used word here all together. There are 4 boys and 6 girls. 4 boys are there and 6 girls are there in a library. How many kids are there all together? Totally how many kids? So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. There are 6 kids are there in a library. Last one. 7 balls were on a table. 2 balls fell down from the table. How many balls are left on the table? There were 7 balls on the table. Okay. 2 balls fell down. Then how many balls are left? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Before 7 balls are there, 2 balls fell down means only 5 balls are remaining. I think all of you understood, children. See here, these are the word problems you should concentrate on. If they have used left, take away means those sums related to subtraction or minus. If they used more, joined, add, all together means that sum is addition sum. Okay children, thank you, bye.